Today, we're talking about money and not in the way most people talk about it. Strategies, tactics, hustle harder. We're going deeper than that because here's what most people never figure out. A lack of money isn't actually the problem, it's a symptom of feeling disconnected from something much bigger than a balance sheet. When you genuinely feel that connection to infinite source, to the abundance that is literally woven into the fabric of the universe you live in, the money question stops feeling so desperate. It stops feeling like a battle. It starts feeling like a natural extension of who you are and what you're aligned with. The problem was never the money. The problem was forgetting that you were born into an infinitely abundant universe, and that abundance was always meant to include you. There's an idea that says you have to have money to make money. And on the surface, that sounds logical. But from an energetic standpoint, what it's really saying is you have to feel like you have money to attract more of it. And you don't need a full bank account to feel that. You can feel it right now. That's exactly what today's session is designed to do. So close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, say these words to yourself. I am rich. Don't perform it. Don't force it. Just say it quietly and notice everything that responds. Does something in your chest tighten? Does a voice immediately start listing reasons why that's not true? Does it feel almost dangerous to say it out loud? Whatever just happened, that's the gap. That distance between those words and what your body actually believes is the exact thing we're clearing today. Now imagine what it would feel like to say those words and to have every cell in your body agree, to feel genuinely, deeply, quietly wealthy, not because of what's in your account, but because of what you know about the universe you live in. Let yourself touch that feeling even briefly. Now take a breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. So now we're going to start tapping. If you don't know what tapping is, it's called emotional freedom techniques, and it's based on Eastern medicine like acupuncture, acupressure. You're just tapping on points of the body. Specifically, these points we're going to tap here: side of the hand, inside of the eyebrow, side of the eye on the bone, under the eye on the bone, under the nose, the chin, the collarbone, and under the armpit, 4 inches under the armpit and the top of your head. Now, when you're tapping, you can tap on either side of the body because we have meridian points and they're on each side of the body. You can tap with one hand or two hands. Now, I personally, when I'm tapping alone, I prefer to tap on two hands. I just think it's more powerful that way, but it's up to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how tapping is. And yeah, so now let's just start. So all you have to do is tap where I tap and say what I say. Okay. So let's start on the side of the hand. Even though part of me doesn't believe I'm rich and has a long list of evidence to prove it, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and forgive myself. Even though I've been letting a number on a screen define the boundaries of what's available to me, I choose to love and forgive myself and open up to a much bigger truth today. Even though I carry deep programming around money and what I'm allowed to have, I choose to deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself and anyone who played a role in building those beliefs inside me. I am rich. And something in me just pushed back hard on that. I look at my bank account and I call that the truth. I call that the ceiling, but the ceiling isn't the sky. The sky is still up there, vast and infinite, and completely indifferent to what my balance says. I am connected to infinite source. There is abundance woven into everything around me. In the air I breathe, in the world I move through every single day. It's not being withheld from me. I just forgot it was there. And I'm remembering now. I was born rich. All this doubt running quietly underneath. All the moments and voices that taught me to shrink around money. All the times I was shown that money was scarce. All the times I decided that was my story. I'm releasing that story now. It was never the whole truth. And it doesn't get to define my reality anymore. I am clearing it all the way back through my past. I am rich. I am very wealthy. And that's okay. I can be rich and be a deeply good person. I can have more and give more. I can enjoy everything this world has to offer. And help others do the same. My wealth is a gift to everyone around me. All this fear that feeling rich means spending foolishly. I don't need to do that. I am a good steward of everything that flows to me. I take care of my money. I grow it wisely. I give it generously. And as I allow myself to know that, I give myself permission to receive a whole lot more, clearing every reason I shouldn't feel rich, clearing every reason I shouldn't allow abundance, clearing every story that says it's not for me, clearing at a cellular level, clearing all the way through every layer of my past, every belief, every limit, every invisible wall, dissolving now, making room for something new. I am rich. I have money beyond belief. I am connected to infinite source. And that connection is my greatest asset. I choose to feel wealthy right now. Before the outside world catches up. In my body, in my mind, and in my soul. Close your eyes, breathe in slowly, hold it, and let it go. With your eyes still closed, say it one more time. I am rich. Notice how it lands now compared to when we started. Is there a little more room around it? A little less fight? Maybe even a quiet part of you that's starting to consider, what if that's actually true? Let that consideration grow. Let it settle somewhere deep. Because the universe you live in is not withholding from you. It never was. The abundance that exists in the leaves, on every tree, in the stars in the sky, in every breath you take without asking, that same abundance has your name on it. You just gave yourself permission to receive it. Take a breath in and open your eyes. The most important shift you can make around money happens exactly here, in the felt sense of who you are in relationship to abundance, not in a spreadsheet, not in a strategy, right here, in the body, in the belief, in the quiet knowing that there is enough, and it includes you. Every time you tap on this and move even slightly closer to genuinely feeling rich, you change while you're available to notice, available to attract, and available to receive. Keep coming back. Say, I am rich, and tap whatever pushes back, because the ceiling was never the limit. The sky has always been up there, and it has always had your name written all over it. Make sure you drink a glass of water after tapping, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.